have someone with me here, and Olivia. Wow, so Olivia, your roommate is Allison. Okay, this is their room. Okay, who's there? Hey, what? Oh my gosh, you're
have lunch na.
okay, let's have lunch, and you're so hungry. My God, you're doing well. Guys, okay. So, guys, watch for
Tim and Tom.
Tim and Tom. Okay, congratulations. You're doing
very
well.
much.
Congratulations,
Thank you very
Tommy, who's
much.
now in Vegas,
Vegas.
and you're now here in.
Bangkok.
And can you say thanks to everyone?
Thank you to all my supporters. I'm so kilig. So grateful.
Are you sincere?
From the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Because they're doing so well.
I couldn't believe it.
And please subscribe to Tim and Tom, their
Like,
YouTube
comment, and
channel.
subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's our goal.
For sure, more than that. Okay, guys.
gonna jinx it.
So we'll have lunch.
Yay, I'm so
Yay.
excited to eat.
Yeah, okay, welcome to Bangkok.
Thanks, you.
And Allison is here also, your roommate. Okay, let's go. Lunch. Excited.